What's up? Brian here. Google's rolling out a sneaky update that pushes your website off page one. If your business profile is too strong, here's exactly how to dodge it and win the local search game. They call it the diversity update. If your Google business profile shows in Google Local Stack, your main site can get suppressed from organic results to make room for other businesses. Here's how you spot it. You're number one in the map, but your main site no longer appears on page one. You log in, check Search Console traffic, it dropped. In order to fix it fast, point your GBP link to a unique landing page, a service page, or a subfolder with UTM tags. But that's not all. Google Business Profile Q&As are now only visible inside of Google Maps, not regular search. Log in weekly and answer top questions. Scammers are targeting GBPs with fake negative reviews to report via Maps dashboard. So what you want to do is turn on the 2FA and ask 5 to 10 happy clients monthly to leave real reviews. Let me tell you a case study. A local dentist dropped from organic about 2 months ago. They implemented the GBP subpage fix and gathered 30 new reviews in 4 weeks. Their web sessions went up by 25%, their map impressions up 40%, and book consults spiked. Action plan: create a GBP-only landing page, monitor rankings weekly, answer Q&As monthly, and then enable 2FA and automate review solicitation. If you skip this, you're losing visibility while competitors swoop in. Google is testing variety, and if you don't adapt, you pay. Set aside 45 minutes today, do the landing page switch, audit Q&A, fix review strategy, then message me, GBP fixed. I hope you like this information. If you have any questions, please text us at 619-304-5155. We'll give you a free audit and we'll answer any questions you have. Thanks. Have a great day.